calm before the storm. Hello, friends and family. I am coming through with a garden update. I am showing you the results of neglect, but you can still get some results. I have not been out here because I've been kind of working on the garage. But there's the bacon avocado, still going strong. So we've had a good little bit of rain, so the rain is helping to keep everything watered. But it was still containers. What I'm learning is that containers do not hold water, of course. And even when it's raining, you still may have to come out and water them some more because they also aren't catching it as much. But here's my Panda Rosa lemon tree. It's lemons everywhere. They get so huge. But I'm going to wait this time and hope, wait till they turn yellow and hope they taste a little bit better than they had been tasting. This is the nectarine tree that could not hold the fruit. It was too young, so I'm accepting that and moving on. It dropped about 12-15 pieces of fruit. So all of my cucumbers, white scallop squash, and I think this was butternut squash, which was out of season, so it was overtaken by vine borers. I did get 2 cucumbers before and 2 white scallop squash, and that was it. So, and the Black Beauty zucchini died, so I did drop some peas in its place. Over here was another, the dragon's egg cuke. I got about 2 of those off, and then they got succumbed to vine borers, got a hold of them. And I dropped some peas in there just to put something in there. But the tomatoes are doing amazing. They are tall. They are way taller than me. But I'm having some, they got too dry. So you see how that's pruning up. These are the Your Majesty yellows, and they're pruning up. And they may have blossom end rot issues. So, but this is all part of gardening. Here is the mortgage lifters. I do not like these tomatoes because they split. They don't get that big. Yeah, I'm just not impressed with those. It's some peppers in here all over the place. Peppers all over the place. So even though they're tight, they're growing. And I'm going to show you my harvest at the end. I did go ahead and harvest some stuff today from back here because I had not been. So I got some carrots and some banana peppers and some bell peppers. So look at Jurassic. They are looking weirder and weirder. These things here. Look at that. That look like a baby alligator, a baby big lizard with all of that's going on. I hope they don't grow huge or something and we don't have an invasion here. But the squash over here are fine. That's why I like to plant it in different spots, because if one gets taken, then maybe the other ones will make it. But again, I'm neglecting it, so it still may get overtaken by vine borers. But here we have corn, and I don't think, like this one that you could tell it's been messed with, it's gonna pull her. We have the corn, and it's looking like it's about to give out. I've gotten three ears of corn, but I haven't sprayed these or anything, so let's see what it looks like on the inside. Because I'm going to tell you a funny story. Yeah, this ain't good. It either wasn't ready or it didn't get pollinated properly. Because look. So I'm going to tell you a story. I did have a couple of good ones. I had 3. I put a picture in a previous video of the ones I got, or at least one of them. And what I like to do rather, is put them in the microwave in the husk. So I opened that husk. I put it in the microwave in the husk. I opened the husk, and it was a worm in the top portion. So the worm got cooked too. Oh well, I cut that top portion off and I ate that corn and it was good. You got to get over the squeamish. You got to get over the squeamish. I mean, you don't know what they feeding us in this store. So, hey, you just got to kind of shrug your shoulders, get over it. That's part of gardening. You're going to see bugs. But I don't know what to do with this. I'll throw it in the lake for the animals. Maybe the geese want it. So here's the beans. I dropped the black bean seeds from Walmart and peas. So it's some peas down there too. Those peas are not coming up as good as they should from southern exposure. But I am getting a few pop up. I guess the conditions make a difference too. And then these are the sweet potatoes. These are the Beauregard sweet potato slips from Home Depot. I also have some sweet potatoes on my counter that is growing. And I think I'm going to start a whole new tote and put those, just cut off what's growing and throw it in the dirt and see what happens. Because sometimes we can't overcomplicate stuff. And I'm just like, I'm the lazy HOA gardener. And if I get something off of it, it wasn't in vain. So let's walk out here to the lake and toss this to the geese. There's something in that water that will eat it. So, my onions. These are the ones I planted from seed back in February. I'm getting some bulbs. It's pretty much almost time to pull some. Some of them didn't get that big. Like this one may be ready to pull because it's all laid down. But it's not that big. But look at this comfrey. Taking over. Shading out the onions. And feeding them. But, yeah, I'm going to start harvesting a few at a time as I eat them. And then put something else down in this bed in place in the empty spots. Because we need to just grow something in the space. Because the kohlrabi didn't make it, but I'm leaving them. It might get cool enough, might get cool early. And if they're still alive, they may start growing. So, again, I'm out here learning, experimenting, growing stuff I've never grown before. These were the $1.50 Walmart clearance onions. My mentor was like, oh, it's not the season, don't plant those. Hey, if they stick around and I got onions in October, November to make my soups, that's fine with me. But I had to put something in the ground. I'm not giving up. Here's the carrots. I just harvested from these carrots today. It's still some little ones in there. They will keep on growing if you leave them in the ground. And whenever you need carrots, come out here and pick a few. Here is the melons. Look at that pretty. The bulbs were in there, been in there for years. They come back every year. I hadn't seen this color yet this year, and it's so gorgeous. Gladiolas. So, we got melons. But we have blossom end rot. Let me see if I can get you in on that. Can you see it? Blossom end rot. The other one in the middle may be okay. I have some calcium nitrate. I'm going to put that down at some point. Again, neglect. Still hadn't took care of this mess. I see a jalapeno pepper back there. My jalapeno peppers, I've been harvesting them. But they're not big. And I like the kind I can stuff. Because I like jalapeno poppers. Oh, shoot. I see over there. Now look at this. Let me see if I can get you in on it. Because I can't walk over there per se. But let's see. Oh, shoot. See that one? I see blossom end rot and some kind of something going on over there. So none of those melons made it. But it's still a fresh batch growing. So I'm still going to go ahead. There you go. Still going to go ahead and treat the soil. Get you back in focus. So I'm still going to go ahead and treat the soil. Because it's a lot of different melons growing over here. I've dropped a lot of different seeds. My calamondin's doing well. My trees that I bought for replacement, not in the ground yet, doing well. That, I don't know what the cause of the curly leaves are. Gonna have to research that. But that's still another calamondin from seed that's still here. I just got to figure out why those leaves are curling. The plant was kind of turned over, so it might be lacking water and nutrients. Might be something simple. And my green onions, permanent green onions, anytime I need green onions, right here. Or I can get them off the tops of those onions. So let's go around through the... I'm looking for snakes because it's been raining. They may be out in my grass. It's all right again. Okay, so this is the tree that will not give me a peach. And it's been down for going on 5 years. I did see like a Facebook memory, and it's been down for going on 5 years. So I don't know what's up, but I'm going to prune it. I'm going to mulch it and feed it again. I'm going to take all those little branches and put them in another pot and try to make more trees to give away. This is still my persimmons, still holding on. They are holding the fruit even though it's bent over. And I don't think we have, it's been raining, so they've been getting a good rain. And I don't think they'll take more than maybe another month or so. So I'm going to probably try to prop it up with a stronger support and see, just so I don't lose it. Because it's weighed down, but I want to try to hold the fruit. If it's going to hold the fruit, I'm going to keep holding the fruit. So this is the orange tree. Nothing happening this year. It's too early. But I'll keep feeding it every year. And here is the free flowers. And she's giving away some more this week. So I need to go. I may just dig a spot by the lake and put them by the lake and let them kind of congregate over there. Here's the first Motherland Okra. It stopped giving me okra because I did break it on my last video. When I thought I was breaking it, it broke. So it kind of stunted the growth. I'm not harvesting correctly, but it's still trying to give me something. It has a flower over there too. There's that beautiful, beautiful pineapple hibiscus. Here's another one. That's small for this plant, so I'm gonna probably need to give it a little food. This is, I think they're called 4 o'clocks or something. And then the shampoo ginger, that was free, all in one pot. So I probably need to water this because it's maybe not getting enough from the rain. These are still doing amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This was blossomed all over Saturday. They've closed up now. And then I have the spring DIY. Now I had a full open flower the other day, but it is taller than me. This Mandevillia is climbing taller than me. I went on ahead and added some of the Dollar Tree solar stakes after the lights were out. I just wanted to kind of have more lighting by the door. So, but yeah, they're doing amazing. They're doing so beautiful. So beautiful. The bird of paradise on the back end, doing so beautiful. So hard to believe. I made these for about, what, 20 bucks a piece. So yeah. So I am very proud. This looks like it's struggling. Ooh, wow. It may need some food. I hadn't even been 5'11" in these things. So here, I pulled up all the nasturtiums, and I dropped a whole bunch of herb seeds, thyme, basil, all of that had expired in 2017. So we're going to see. We're going to keep some progress. I told you don't throw out the seeds. I found them in the garage, so they were under bad conditions. But it was the cilantro and the just all kinds of herbs. And I just dropped the packs. I already know the germination is going to be bad, but I might actually get something. So I dropped them. It rained. It's getting watered. So we'll see. And I said I couldn't grow marigolds from seeds, but what's that? More marigolds from seeds, and they actually flowered this time. I am so proud of this. Then this is still producing. These were the 5-year-old expired seeds that expired in 2016 or 2017. Dropped them in the pot. Got all this growth. Look at all them. All this growth taller than me. Taller than me. I'm only 4'11". That's not saying a lot, but you know. See, so these are how my jalapenos have been doing. I got them up front and in the back. There's another pimiento pepper. They taste like bell peppers to me, and they're not turning colors, but I've been eating them and enjoying them. And this hadn't been producing any more okra, but it's starting a little bit there. And then this has been giving me banana pepper after banana pepper after the banana pepper, I'm telling you. So I like having 2 different locations, because this is another, I want to say either yellow tomato or green tomato, and I really want to taste them, so I'm glad I have them up here also. Then this finally started flowering, but now it's dying because the pot don't want to stand up. So, oh well. Those are sunflowers. I finally planted some, but they only get 2 feet tall. So hopefully they'll come up soon and give me a nice pretty show. And this needs something. So if you know what this needs, this is my blueberry bush. It gave me some good blueberries and now it's stopped. But it needs something. It is not looking good right now. So if you know what it needs, please let me know in the comments. The lemon balm is doing amazing. I even dropped a marigold here. These blueberry bushes are doing fine. That's why I know that other one needs something. Look at the lettuce. Can't grow lettuce. It probably won't taste good, but it's here. Some lettuce. Some more lettuce. Look at them bees. Ooh, look at that pretty bee dancing all around the lemon balm. Let me see if I... So that is the garden tour for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are planting your seeds and growing, because even when you don't have time to tend it, God will send some rain and make it happen. So please plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much, because I've hit 500 subscribers and I am so happy. So I hope my garden people are hanging in there. And I'm still bringing the garden content. Don't give up on me, because we're going to work this YouTube thing out and we are going to have a good time growing our own food, prepping, and being ready for what's to come. You have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. And here's the harvest. Here is the harvest for today. Stay tuned for another Doomsday Gourmet recipe using these carrots. Stay tuned.